Hello! We have another unboxing for the TRX4m, but it's not another car. It's a trailer for the TRX4m. This is the 1/18 scale utility trailer from TRX. So let's get straight into it. And there we have it. We have some, this is the tow hitch and the screws to mount it. We have the trailer itself and the trailer hitch installation instructions, which look like this. And the trailer itself, it's got TRX markings on the tires. It's rubbery, quite sticky rubber, not as sticky as the Defender tires itself. It's got a printed TRX logo, stickers for, or printed for taillights, so it's not LED. It's hard plastic. I don't know if there are bearings in here, but it looks a little bit like it. Indicators printed on, and a ball joint